Hey, what's up, guys? It's Craig Syracusa, Walk of Faith. Happy Monday. It is October 26th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. From darkness to light. I am the light of the world. He who follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. And that's John. Is there an area of darkness in your life, something that continuously causes you fear, such as the future or a challenge you must face? Do not despair. The Father wants to relieve you of the dread you feel by shedding light on your circumstances. Remember, in the beginning, it was God who spoke light into existence. He did it before creating the sun, moon, and stars, and that's Genesis. This is because his very presence gives light, not just physical radiance, but spiritual illumination. Of course, you may wish to overcome the uncertainty you feel by seeking your own solution. Just understand that only God is light, and when you fight the dark with more darkness, all you get is deep despair. Friend, God wants you to see not just the path ahead, but the profound spiritual realities that are affecting your life. He is ready to help you. So when you sense the dark fears encroaching, run to him, because when he is your light, you will have nothing to dread. Lord, free me from my anxiety, shine your truth in my heart, and help me walk by your light. Amen. In his presence, the darkness flees. So this is the same thing we talk about every day. It's all about building a relationship with Christ. When you try to solve, whether it's fears, anxieties, depression, whatever it is, on your own, without actually humbling yourself or surrendering over to the Lord, it's very difficult. You need to build a relationship. You need to trust God. You need to humble yourself. You need to build a relationship, like I say, every day through a routine. And as you do that, as you build that relationship, when the anxieties, the fears come, the darkness, as it says, you run to God, you run to the Lord, and he's always waiting there with open arms. But when you try to fight, darkness with more darkness, you just get more anxiety, more despair. You can't figure everything out on your own, but it's a lot easier to do that. But remember, when you go to God or when you pray to God, a lot of our own sin is revealed within ourselves, and it's easier to ignore that. It's easier to sweep it under the rug. Nobody wants to deal with their own sin, right? Nobody wants to deal with their own issues. They rather just justify them by their actions. So what I would say today, if you're dealing with some anxiety, some fear, some depression, some darkness, just have a conversation with God and see what happens. But you have to be honest with yourself and honest with the Lord. Until next time, always remember you have the ability to inspire, evangelize through words and actions.